McPherson from the agency, and I'm just at unit number 15 of 32 Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. Sprawling over 2 levels and offering panoramic ocean views throughout, I cannot wait to show you what this stunning property has to offer. The recently renovated kitchen really is the hub of the home. Completed to perfection with stone bench tops, 2-pack shaker cabinetry and a self-cleaning oven, it perfectly connects through to the living and outdoor spaces. The spacious outdoor balcony really is built for all year round entertaining, with servery, built-in breakfast bar and outdoor blinds. And how's this for a master suite? So guys, there you have it, the unit number 15 of 32 Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. Situated in a boutique complex and offering so much more than meets the eye, if you'd like to own your piece of coastal paradise, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.